Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make potato wedges. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first off you want to start off by washing your potatoes. As you can see, I'm using 3 medium-sized potatoes. Make sure you wash them off real good. Alright guys, so after you finish washing your potatoes, right, we're just going to slice them up and then add them to some hot boiling water. Alright, so now we're just going to slice our potato in half. And then just slice it again like that, you know. We're pretty much making some wedges, all right. We're just gonna do the same thing for the other two. All right, go ahead and add a little bit of salt, about a tablespoon of salt. Then we're going to add our potatoes. And you want to boil your potatoes for about 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, now so after 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes, you want to go ahead and strain off that water, alright? Then we're just going to rinse it off with some cold water, some room temperature water. Alright, so now we're just going to let this sit for a few minutes, you know, while we get our other ingredients ready. Alright guys, so we're going to add a little bit of Creole seasoning to our potatoes. I have 1 tablespoon. You know, it might seem like a lot, but it's not. It's going to be the perfect amount. 1 tablespoon. Because by the time you add the flour and all the other ingredients, everything is going to blend in perfectly. Add about a half a cup of yellow mustard. The yellow mustard is going to add a nice unique flavor to our potato wedges. Just mix it up a little bit and then we're going to add our other ingredients. Add a little bit of hot sauce. Add about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of cornstarch to add that extra crispy crunch to the texture of the potato wedges. Go ahead and add your potatoes. And we're gonna fry these until they are nice and crispy. Alright guys, so after about 2 or 3 minutes, go ahead and flip your potatoes. It should already be crispy on the first side. This is gonna be so good, I'm telling you. The inside is gonna be soft, you know, the outside crispy, packed with a ton of flavors, you know. You don't really get better than this, you know. This is it right here. So after frying my potatoes for about 4 minutes, then I'm just gonna go ahead and remove them from the oil. You want to fry your potatoes for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they are nice and crispy. All right, I'm just going to top it off with a little bit of tarragon just to add that extra flavor.